Hello and welcome to Olga Poltava Crochet channel. Today I have a new tutorial to share with you. It's a warm and cozy textured scarf. I work this scarf using category 3 lightweight 100% acrylic yarn, specifically Premier Basix DK in color blush, but other similar yarns would work too. I use 2 skeins, which is 612 yards or 200 grams. The finished measurements of my scarf are about 62 inches long and 7.5 inches wide. The stitch is quite easy and there is only one repeating row in the pattern. The fabric is dense and warm, so this stitch would also work great for blankets or afghans. Before I start the tutorial, I want to take a minute to welcome new members of my channel. A few new people recently joined. I want to thank my new and existing channel members. At this point, I don't create members-only content, so basically you are supporting my channel without expecting anything in return. And that means so much to me. Thank you. To make this scarf, I will use 2 skeins of Premier Basix DK. This is a category 3 lightweight 100% acrylic yarn, and this specific color is blush. And the hook size is G 4.25 millimeters. The starting chain must be a multiple of 4. I start my scarf with 36 chains. 1, 2, 3. Here I have 36 chains and I'm starting my first row. Into the fourth chain from the hook, I work 2 double crochets. We never count the chain on the hook, we always start counting from the next chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and into this chain I make 2 double crochets. 1, 2. And these 3 skipped chains also count as a double crochet. So in the beginning of each row, I will count it as I have 3 double crochets worked into the same stitch. So 3 chains, which count as a double crochet, and then 2 double crochets. Next, I skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and into the next chain, I work a single crochet, 1 chain and 3 double crochets. So first a single crochet, then 1 chain, and into the same chain again I work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And again, I skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into the next chain, I work the same sequence of stitches as over here. First, a single crochet, then 1 chain, and then 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And that's how I'm going to continue crocheting all the way across. Skip next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into the next one, a single crochet, 1 chain, and 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And I'll see you at the end of the row. Here I am at the end of the row. I have 4 chains left. 1, 2, 3, 4. I skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into the last one, I simply make a single crochet. So this is my first row. I turn my work and I start next row, row number 2, with 2 chains. 1, 2. Now I will be working into this first single crochet, and over here I make 2 double crochets. 1, 2. And these 2 chains that I first made also count as a double crochet. So it counts that I have 3 double crochets over here. Next, in this group of stitches over here, I have 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, then 1 chain, and then 1 single crochet. I'm going to skip these 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and into the next double crochet, I'm going to work a front post single crochet. So actually, I'm going to work it around that double crochet like this, because this is a front post single crochet. So let me show it again. This is the 3rd double crochet, and inserting the hook around it from the front to the back and then to the front again. I work a single crochet. Next, 1 chain, and now I will make 3 double crochets, but I will make them into this chain 1 space over here. So it's kind of behind this double crochet right here. That's where I insert the hook and I work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to repeat the same sequence. I skip the next 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and over here that's the 3rd double crochet, and I will work a front post single crochet around it. Then 1 chain, and into the chain space over here I work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Again, skip the next 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and around the next one I work a front post single crochet. 1 chain, and into the chain space 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And that's how I'm going to continue crocheting this row all the way across, and then I'll show you how to finish this row. Here I am at the end of this row. I just worked over here front post single crochet, 1 chain and 3 double crochets, and over here I have 3 double crochets left. I skip the next 2 double crochets, and into the last one I make a single crochet. I turn my work, and now I'm simply going to repeat the previous row. I start with 2 chains, 1, 2. These 2 chains count as the first double crochet, and into the first single crochet I work 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Now I skip the next 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and around the next one I work a front post single crochet. 1 chain, and into the chain 1 space over here I work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Again, skip the next 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and around the next one I make a front post single crochet. 1 chain, and into the chain 1 space over here 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And that's all I'm gonna do over here. Skip 2 double crochets, front post single crochet, 1 chain, and 3 double crochets into the chain 1 space. And at the end of the row, again, I simply make a single crochet into the last stitch. So I skip these 2 double crochets, and into the last one, I make a single crochet. So each Each row starts with 2 chains and 2 double crochets, and then each row ends with a single crochet. There's only one repeating row. All you do now is to repeat that same row again and again, and you will get a beautiful textured fabric. And you crochet your scarf until you reach your desired length or until you run out of yarn. I worked up both skeins, and this is how much yarn I have left. Now I can just fasten off, hide the yarn tail,